Friends, my name's Arya. Welcome to my show. About the planets, I have the chart of it. Sun and Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are rocky planets. These are the gas planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The purples are dwarf planets. Tell you some things of the book. You can see moon and you can see sun. Sun is very hot. Sun and the earth revolves and rotates east and west. Sun comes off east, goes to west. Earth is this color. Blue is for water, green is for grass, and brown is for the land. Gravity. When you jump up, you don't go up, you come down. Four shapes of the moon. Crescent, first quarter, gibbous, and full moon. Astronauts go to different planets to take pictures. This is the universe. These are the stars. Blue is hot, red is cold. This constellation. Sometimes the stars join and make some nice designs. They make a bird and a lion. Rocket, you can do different planets. This is my rocket. This is an astronaut. Has special boot, special glove, special stripe, special helmet, and special backpack, and some special cloth. You can have a telescope and you can see faraway stars. And resources and painting. You have to cut these with this brush, paint, shiny, glue, and paper. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Comes really the moon. Crescent, first quarter moon, gibbous, full moon. For watching, hope you like the show. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.